So I just got back from an adventure. I just went 25 miles away. Brought this bad boy home. So the story behind this, I'll give you a better look in the daytime tomorrow. The story behind this is my grandparents bought this in 1982. Give it a light of day tour. So far we're missing the CB antenna. I got a hose thingy sticking out, not sure why. Spare tire cover's missing. There's something I bet you don't have. My grandfather had these custom made. Get the bugs out. I've got to replace the pads in the corners for the gaps, but these channels all chewed up too. But yeah, there's one for the driver's side too, if you look through. And, it's under this lip. Doesn't get rained in. Don't let the bugs in. You got plenty of air. It's one of the cool little things about this. One of the reasons I wanted it. I had taken this all with the other camera, but it was so shaky, it was making everybody seasick, I couldn't use it. But here's the 10-cent tour of the inside. My grandmother's pillows still in there. Not sure about that. It looks like something she'd have. It's another pillow that she made. The bed's been replaced. It's got switches, so you could go to the bathroom, and the little landing lights would illuminate the way. And the other one turns the TV on and off. This was before remote controls. Everything in here is 12 volts. Every cabinet has its own light. He did it. I helped a little bit. Every cabinet has its own light when you open it. Everything's 12 volts. These chairs, I believe, spin around. We had a couple of casualties since it left the family. Apparently, somebody ripped the CB antenna off the wall. Left a huge hole. I had to fill that. So water was getting in. 12 volt TV. It's obsolete now because nobody transmits analog. It's got the little converter box, but that's 110. So yeah, all kinds of things. There's a light in here too. It goes on and off when you open the door. Thing I did notice is the toilet's been replaced. The people that I got it back from said that the floor had rotted and the black tank was full of hard substance. They had to rip that out and replace it. So new toilet bonus. A light bulb. There's a shower. Now my grandparents bought this in, it was either 82 or 84. I think it had 100 miles on it or some ridiculously low number when they got it. I spent a lot of time in this in my adolescence. Spent a lot of time sitting right here. I used to sleep on this couch. I won't fit there anymore, that's for sure. Yeah, I wanted to give you a little better idea of the inside here. I'm not going to dwell on it. The leaf that comes up. That table folds out. We've had 8-10 people in here for a meal. That is so you can look out the back window while you're driving. So, stove. And it's all, I believe these were hers too. It's all clean, so it doesn't rattle. Check out the oven. I know she used it. I've seen her use it. Man, they kept everything so nice. The braided rugs that they had are still in here. Control panel. This is all custom. Charge the batteries if we were plugged in. Battery conditioned, front battery. Rear battery's better. I've got to figure that out. I don't know if they're just tied together flat or if flipping the switch changes where the electricity's coming from. It's got the standard camper set up, and if we were plugged in or on the generator, that would tell you if you've got the right amount of voltage. Barometer, thermometer, it's only 56 degrees in here. It's a bit chilly. Generator on board. But yeah, I spent a lot of time in this as a kid. In a lot of places in it. All this stuff's still in here. That's the table for the outside. The only downside with this camper is there's not a lot of storage. In fact, that was about it. There's one compartment on one side outside that's got a water hose, electric cord, and there's another compartment on this side that has a barbecue grill in it, and it takes the whole compartment. So not a lot of storage. But I'm glad to have it back. This was offered to me about 15 years ago. My grandfather offered to give it to me. And unfortunately at that time I was expecting my third child. And it stung a little bit, but I had to say no. Where we're going to put 3 kids in here. But now the kids are grown and gone. And I was not looking for this at all when I found it on the computer. Yeah, that was just, there it is. Impulse. I had to go get it back. I just had to. So that's the story. We're going to be doing some work on this. The 12-volt outlet for the TV, this thing that's hanging there, that no longer works, and I don't remember where he tapped it. I'm guessing that this light is where he tapped the power for it. But we got to figure that one out. The switch doesn't work. Maybe it's the switch. I don't know. But we're going to figure that out. We're going to do some updating of the electronics. We're going to put the GPS in the dash cam and all that in. And yeah, I went up on the roof with it. See if I've got the footage of that. I think I do. It looks brand new. I mean, this has been inside for 33 of the 40 years it's been around. So, yep, nostalgia. Oh, one other thing, which I thought was kind of cool. In addition to this being my grandparents' camper, my great grandmother made this, and it's still in here. So that's pretty good. We've got lights. And there's a switch on the bottom to, I guess, night mode, day mode. So that's cool. Put a little switch outside the door. Yeah, there's a 10-cent tour. I don't see too many videos of this coming out because there's not a lot that it needs, but when I do work on it, I'll film it. People out there that are into campers. I am selling a bounder. I don't know if anybody's seen those videos or not, but that one's going to go up for sale. It's a bigger camper. It's got way better storage, but yeah, can't have two, so we're going to get rid of one. So if you know anybody looking for a camper, let me know. It's a really good going to Hershey rig. It's tons and tons of storage. I'll see if I can find the footage I took on that one and upload it onto YouTube. I know it's on Rumble, but Rumble kind of lied to me. They said, "Oh, we'll pay you. We'll pay you to put your videos out, and we'll promote them." Well, they haven't done either, so we're back on YouTube for the moment. So, all right, we're gonna call it a day.